Hey guys, what's going on? It's Hexford here, and today in this video I'm about to show you guys how to customize your Nova launcher branches to look like this. So let's get started. Alright guys, so first thing is that you want to download everything that is given under my description down below, and it contains one folder which is Nova itself. So if you guys don't have a Nova launcher installed, make sure to watch my previous video, which is the Nova launcher prime installation. So once you guys have downloaded the Nova folder from the description down below, you will get these two folders, which is called backup, and next is the KZWT widgets. So from the backup, you want to install first is the icon pack, so which is the iris icon pack, and you also need to restore the backup file. So first thing, I want you guys to install the icon pack. So install this iris icon or iris UI. So tap on done once you guys have installed the iris UI, and go back now, install this everything KZWT and build Gradle as well. So install one by one. Tap on done and install Hawk KZWT. Install this and tap on done. Tap on done. Install the final one, which is watermelon. Okay, so finally tap on done. Then you want to go back to your Nova launcher, onto the setting, hold and tap onto the setting, and from here you want to choose the backup and import setting, and from here we want to restore the backup. So click on here and you want to search for your backup. So mine is under document storage, or I can just browse from here. So search for your backup file. So just override all of the thing here and press an OK. Then you should be just looking like this. Now you guys want to set it up your widget using the KZWT. Okay, so on here we will use the watermelon, and onto the bottom side we will use the Hawk KZWT. You guys, and also make sure to download the Baymax wallpaper from the description down below, which will be in the description. Okay, so just go ahead and set the wallpaper once you guys have downloaded. So now from here, click on this, and you want to choose straight to the watermelon. And from here you want to choose whatever that it suits for your device. So for my device, it suits for me as 020 watermelon, and it depends on to your wallpaper as well. So just go ahead and tap this here, and you want to set this on, go to the layer option, and from here you want to set this as 100. And tap on save. And now you can resize this, as you guys can see that, and now it's ready. So now also we will set up the Hawk KZWT from here, and from here we will choose the Hawk KWGT, and we will use the red SERP icon here, just like this. And for the layer, I recommend you guys to put this on a 65 and click on save, and there we go. And there we go guys, so you guys have almostly done nice job using this, and also you have set it up your icon pack as well. You can see that your icon pack is already changed, and all you guys now need to do is download some cool wallpaper and play around with this setting. And also make sure to send me the backup file onto my email address. It will be under my description down below, so that I could show your setup to my subscriber as well. So guys, if you like this video, then make sure to smash that like button down below, and if you guys have any question regarding to the setup, please be sure to comment down and I will surely help you out. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then go ahead and smash that subscribe. See you guys later. It's Hexoid, and peace out.